Food waste is a worldwide problem with more than 1/3 of available food going uneaten. The good news is that there are several scraps that can be saved to use for delicious and nutritional solutions. Most people don't know, but eggshells can be transformed into calcium powder, watermelon rinds can be pickled, and cauliflower leaves can become a delicious soup, just to name a few examples. Today's video will show you everything you thought you couldn't eat, but actually can. 1. Eggshells. People with a calcium deficiency can get what they need from eggshells, since they are rich in this vital mineral. And since you wouldn't just eat eggshells as is, the solution is to transform the eggshells into a calcium powder that you can put directly into your daily smoothie or that you can blend into your food. 2. Watermelon rinds. Watermelon is considered to be the favorite summer fruit of many people, but is very common to throw away all of its rinds. In reality, some people say watermelon rinds are very similar to a cucumber in taste and texture, making them the perfect candidate to make pickles with. They can be eaten as a snack, or with other pickled veggies. 3. Cauliflower leaves. Cauliflower is trending now because of their never-ending cooking possibilities, but you won't really see many recipes with their leaves. A good source of minerals, beta-carotene, iron, and calcium, they are as delicious and versatile as the vegetable itself, whether making a nutritious soup or a crispy, healthy snack. 4. Zucchini flowers. While zucchini flowers are popular in some countries, like Italy, the rest of the world doesn't look at them in the same way. Very delicate and smooth, if your zucchini is flowering, consider making a classic Italian dish, instead of just throwing it away. 5. Carrot peels. We don't think twice before putting all of the carrot peels into the trash. But they are actually flavorful and rich in vitamin C, and they can be elevated by transforming them into a carrot peel pesto. The perfect accompaniment to your everyday pasta. Have you already tried any of these, or do you have any other food scrap secrets? Let me know in the comment section below.